Welcome to ABCD. Today, we'll be solving another math question. Missy is a stationery holder. For every 6 pens she had, she will have 15 color pencils and 10 highlighters. So over here, we can draw out a model that looks something like this, which goes pen versus color pencil versus highlighter. Okay, so if let's say we have 6 units here. Okay. Then she'll have 15 color pencils. So this is 6 units. Okay, so 15 units. So we will need to add 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, then this one will have 10, which is 4 more. Okay, so this is what we know. Then she started packing her stationery into different pencil case. In each half of pencil case, the ratio of pen is to color pencil is 1:3. Then the ratio of color pencil, color pencil is to highlight. Is 2:1. Okay, so given that she has 42 left, so 42 left. How many of each stationery does she has? Okay, so using this ratio, right, we know that because every pencil case has only 3 types of stationery, which is pen, color pencils, and highlighters. Color pencil being one element or one component, the ratio should be the same. So we will try to make this the same, okay, which is this 2. Okay, so we realize that their common factor will be 6, which is their common multiple will be 6. So this one will be times 2, so we get this. Okay, times 2. Then over here will be 3:1 because we times 3. Because of this, right, then we can actually find out this ratio, which is pen is to color pencil is to highlighter, which is 2:6:3. Okay, so now we will compare this ratio that we just derived to the original ratio of the quantity of the stationery, which is P is to CP is to H, which is 6:15:10. Because there's 6 units of pen, if we split 6 units of pens into the distribution ratio of 2, I know that I can have 3 sets. Okay? For 15, right, if I divide by 6, I know I can only have 2.5 sets. Whereas for the 10, for the highlighter, if I 10 divided by 3, I will get about 3.33 sets. Okay, so if I divide this, I will know that the limiting factor over here will be 2.5 because that's the less. Okay, in other words, if I have 6 pens, to divide them into 2 units, I will have 3 units. So I have 3 units. But then if, let's say, I have color pencils, 15 color pencils, I divide by 6 people, then I only have 2.5 units each per person. Whereas for highlighter, 10 units divided by 3 people, then it's 3.3 units per person. So I realized that CP is actually the lowest, which is 2.5. Okay, then with this, we can actually we can actually annotate this within our model, which is like this. So this is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Okay. Okay, so because, right, I know that every unit now is 2.5, so I will have 2 blue units for pen because over here it wrote 2. That's why I have 2 blue units for pen. Then I'll have 6 units for color pencils, which is why there's 6 units there. Then I'll have 3 units for highlighter. Okay, so with this, I know that the remainings over here will be what is left over. So since I have 1 unit for pen and 2.5 units for highlighter, so what we have left, right, will be equals to 1 plus 2.5, which will give me 3.5 units. Okay, 3.5 units will be equivalent to 42. 1 unit, 42 divided by 3.5. This one will give us 12. Okay, so for pen, since there are 6 units, 6 times 12 will actually give me 72. For color pencil, 15 units. 15 times 12 will actually give me 180. Then for highlighter, they have 10 units. That's why 10 times 12 equals to 120. Okay, so we have our answer, which is 1, 2, 3. That's it for this episode. We hope that you have learned something new. The link to the worksheets are available in the description below. See ya!